This movie beautifully portrays that loneliness doesn't always come from being alone. Sometimes it exists inside relationships. Set in 19th century Bengal, this film follows Charu, a highly intelligent and sensitive woman who lives a comfortable but emotionally empty life. Her husband is a kind and progressive man, but he is deeply absorbed in his work and often fails to notice Charu's loneliness. Everything begins to change when her husband's cousin enters their lives. He encourages her love for literature and writing, and slowly a subtle emotional connection begins to grow between them. But the beauty of this film is that it's not loud. Nothing in this film is expressed openly. Every use of silence and camera movement has a meaning in this movie. The movie is Charulata.
সমস্ত জীবনটা যেন একটা ছন্দের মতো, জন্ম মৃত্যু, দিন রাত্রি, সুখ দুঃখ, মিলন বিচ্ছেদ, ঠিক একটা সমুদ্রের ঢেউয়ের মতো, একবার উঠছে আবার পড়ছে, একটা আছে বলি যেন আর একটা সার্থকতা।